Entering the field of cybersecurity as an analyst without prior experience can be challenging, but it's certainly possible with the right approach. Here are steps you can take to become a cybersecurity analyst without experience. Educational background. Obtain a degree in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity, or earn certifications such as CompTIA Security Plus, CISSP, or CEH. Self-learning and skill development. Learn networking, operating systems, and programming languages. Utilize online platforms like Coursera and Pluralsight, and set up a home lab for practical experience. Build a home lab. Create a simulated environment using virtual machines and platforms like VirtualBox or VMware to practice cybersecurity tools and techniques. Networking and online presence. Join cybersecurity forums, discussion groups, and social media communities to connect with professionals and gain insights. Internships and entry-level positions. Seek internships or entry-level roles in IT or cybersecurity to gain practical experience. Even roles like IT support can provide valuable exposure. Certifications. Obtain relevant certifications to showcase your skills and knowledge. Progress to specialized certifications like CISP, CISM, or CEH as you advance. Build a portfolio. Showcase your skills and projects in a portfolio, including personal projects and solutions to cybersecurity challenges. Stay informed. Follow industry news, blogs, and podcasts to stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in cybersecurity. Soft skills. Develop communication and problem-solving skills, crucial for explaining complex issues to non-technical stakeholders and identifying security risks. Apply for entry-level positions. Once you've acquired foundational knowledge and skills, apply for entry-level positions such as Junior Cybersecurity Analyst, SOC Analyst, or IT Security Support roles. Persistence and continuous learning are essential for success in the cybersecurity field. Build a strong foundation and stay updated to advance your career.